Hello dear Fastmatic friends! Today another exponential equation, but more complicated. Follow me please. First of all, we must identify that it is an equation and that it is exponential because we have letters in the exponents. So we must verify that we have only one term on the left side and only one term on the right side. Fortunately, here I have one term here separated by a positive sign of another term here. Then I must see if I can factorize, but it is not possible to get any kind of factoring here. So maybe if I pass everything to the left side, ordering it, I could do anything. Here I have a trinomial, but if I try to factorize it, it is impossible to get the term that is in the middle. So I see that here I have one addition. Then I can write this expression as 5 to the power of 3x times 5 to the power of 1. Because when you have the multiplication of the same base, you are going to add exponents, 3x plus the exponent that is here plus 1. So here we have the same thing. Equivalent expressions. And here plus 1 equal to 0. Now I see that I can put the 5 before the other part. Then I have 5 raised to the exponent of 6x minus 5 times 5 raised to the exponent of 3x plus 1 equal to 0. And here I see a quadratic form because this exponent is twice this exponent. I have a coefficient here, and a term that has no x here. Then I can use the quadratic formula because factorization will not give me the answer, will not give me the -5 that is in the middle. So remember that if you have x squared and in the middle x, you can use the formula x is equal to -b, etc. But here we don't have x in the middle. We have 5 to the power of 3x. So we are going to write 5 to the power of 3x is equal to -b, positive negative, the square root of b squared minus 4ac, and everything divided by 2a. Now we will see that a is the coefficient of the term with the highest exponent, that b is the coefficient of the term in the middle, and c is the coefficient of the term that is alone. Pay attention please, because you will never replace those letters with letters, always with numbers. Then -b, what's b? -5. Positive negative, the square root of b squared, that is -5 squared, minus 4 times the value of a, that is 1, times the value of c, that is 1, and everything divided by 2 times the value of a, that is 1. Now we solve it. Negative times negative, positive, positive negative, the square root of -5 squared is 25. And after that, -4 times 1 is -4 divided by 2 times 1 is 2. And now we have 5 positive negative, the square root of 21, and that divided by 2. So we have two possibilities. 5 to the power of 3x will be equal to that expression with the positive sign, 5 plus the square root of 21 divided by 2, and also 5 to the power of 3x will be equal to that expression with the negative sign. Then, how are we going to eliminate this 5, this base 5? Well, we are going to put logarithm base 5 on the left side and logarithm base 5 on the right side. Using the properties of logarithms, we eliminate this 5 and we get 3x is equal to logarithm base 5 of 5 plus the square root of 21 divided by 2. And here, if I pass the 3 to the denominator and I solve it with the calculator, I will get x is equal to 0.3245. Remember that if your calculator doesn't have the touch logarithm base 5, you can make logarithm of this expression divided by logarithm of 5, and after that everything divided by 3, and you get that number. And after that we do the same. In order to eliminate a 5, logarithm base 5 on the left side but also on the right side, we eliminate the 5, and here we have 3x is equal to logarithm base 5 of 5 minus square root of 21, and that divided by 2. Finally, if I pass the 3 to the denominator and we solve it with the calculator, we get the same number in negative. Negative 0.3245. Thank you very much, dear Plasmatic friends. See you next time.